Ever wondered how your virtual assistant knows your favorite song? Or how self-driving cars make split-second decisions? Welcome to the mysterious world of AI. Yes, artificial intelligence. It's not just about robots and science fiction anymore. It's in our phones, our cars, even in our refrigerators. It's making decisions, learning from data, and sometimes it's even outsmarting us. But among all these fascinating aspects of AI, there's one concept that's even more enigmatic than AI itself, the AI black box. Imagine a magician performing a trick. You see the start, you see the end, but the magic in the middle? That's what we call the AI black box. Now let's break this down a bit. Picture the magician's trick as a process. At the beginning, we have the inputs. These could be the magician's props, like a hat or a deck of cards. In the world of artificial intelligence, these inputs are the data we feed into the system. It could be anything from your search history to images of cats. Next, we have the middle part, the magic. This is where the magician works his charm, and we don't really see what's happening. Similarly, in an AI black box, this is where the algorithm processes the inputs. It's crunching numbers, making connections, learning patterns, all in a way that's not visible or understandable to us. Finally, we have the end of the trick, the rabbit popping out of the hat, the card appearing in an impossible place. In AI terms, these are the outputs, the results the system gives us based on the inputs and the processing. It could be a recommended song on your playlist, a prediction of tomorrow's weather, or even a diagnosis in healthcare. So you see, an AI black box, much like a magician's trick, is all about inputs, processes, and outputs. But just as we don't know how the magician pulls off his trick, we don't fully understand how the AI system processes the data to give us the results. So while we can see the results, the process remains a mystery, much like the magician's trick. Now that we've understood what an AI black box is, let's delve a little deeper. AI black boxes are not designed to be cryptic. They're a natural result of complex machine learning systems. These systems learn from vast amounts of data, creating intricate patterns and connections that are beyond human comprehension. This complexity is what makes them so effective, but it's also what turns them into black boxes. Now, the challenges posed by these black boxes are substantial. Imagine an AI system making healthcare diagnoses or approving loans, with no clear explanation of how it arrived at its conclusions. It becomes difficult to judge the fairness or accuracy of these decisions, and that's a big problem. However, it's not all doom and gloom. AI black boxes also have their benefits. They can process and learn from data on a scale that humans simply can't match. They can discover connections and patterns that would take us years, decades, or even longer to find. And in doing so, they can solve problems and make predictions that were previously out of reach. But as with any powerful tool, we need to handle it with caution. That's where the concept of explainable AI comes in. Researchers are working tirelessly to develop algorithms that maintain the power of AI, but with more transparency. They're creating systems that not only make decisions, but can also explain how they made those decisions. It's like turning a magic trick into a science experiment, where every step is laid out for all to see. While AI black boxes have their advantages, like any good magic trick, it's always safer if we understand what's happening behind the scenes. So, where are we heading with these AI black boxes? As we gaze into the crystal ball of artificial intelligence, we see a future rife with potential and brimming with possibilities. The evolution of AI black boxes is expected to be nothing short of transformative, impacting sectors from healthcare to finance and even security. Imagine a world where an AI system can accurately diagnose diseases, make fair loan approvals, or even bolster our defenses against cyber threats. But, as with any powerful tool, it's not just about what it can do, but how we use it. With AI black boxes becoming increasingly intricate, the need for responsible AI development and use has never been more critical. We're not just talking about preventing Skynet scenarios here, it's about ensuring that these AI systems are designed with ethical considerations in mind, that they're fair, unbiased, and respect user privacy. But the real game changer might just be transparency. As we've seen, the inner workings of AI black boxes can be as mysterious as the dark side of the moon. This opaqueness often raises questions about how these systems arrive at their conclusions. That's where the field of explainable AI comes into play, striving to make AI's thought processes more understandable to us mere mortals. In the end, it's not just about creating AI systems that can solve complex problems. It's about building AI black boxes that we can trust, that we can understand. As we unravel the mysteries of AI black boxes, we step closer to a future where AI isn't just a tool, but a transparent and trustworthy companion.